Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 15 SUVs that will dominate reliability in 2027. Number 15, Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 enters 2027 as a standout for those who prioritize long-term safety and structural reliability. While many luxury brands gamble with overcomplicated tech that fails after the lease ends, Volvo has spent years refining the B5 and B6 mild hybrid powertrains to eliminate early-generation glitches. These engines are designed for thermal efficiency and durability, utilizing high-strength steel components that are built to withstand the rigors of high-mileage American driving. Consumer Reports has rewarded this commitment to consistency with improved reliability scores, noting that the XC60 suspension and electrical architecture have become significantly more robust. Starting at approximately $49,000, it offers a premium experience that won't bleed your bank account with frequent sensor failures. Volvo's 2027 model also benefits from a simplified infotainment processor that draws less power and generates less heat, reducing the risk of the electronic blackouts that plague more experimental luxury interiors. The use of specialized anti-corrosion coatings on the undercarriage ensures that the structural integrity remains intact even in the salt-heavy climates of the northern USA. Choosing this Volvo means investing in a vehicle that values the integrity of its mechanical bones as much as its Scandinavian style, ensuring it remains a stable staple of your driveway for the next decade. Number 14, Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia is set to dominate the full-size segment in 2027 by perfecting the transition from the old V8 to the high-torque iForce Max hybrid system. Starting near $63,000, this beast is engineered for heavy lifting and long-term survival, sharing its bulletproof chassis with the legendary Tundra and Land Cruiser. Consumer Reports predicts that the 2027 Sequoia will outlast every domestic competitor because Toyota has reinforced the hybrid battery cooling and simplified the electronic wastegate system, addressing minor issues found in earlier versions. Its reliability is rooted in a body-on-frame tank construction that treats 200,000 miles as a mere warm-up period. The 2027 model features a reinforced rear axle and high-capacity cooling circuits designed to handle maximum towing loads without thermal degradation of the transmission fluid. Toyota has also utilized a more durable nickel-metal hydride battery chemistry that is famously resistant to extreme temperature fluctuations, ensuring the hybrid system remains operational for the life of the vehicle. The resale value of the Sequoia remains stratospheric because the used market knows these machines are built to last 30 years. Relying on this Sequoia provides the muscle of a truck with the legendary dependability of a Toyota, protecting your equity in a massive, high-demand asset that refuses to quit. Number 13, Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride remains a reliability darling in 2027, starting at $37,000 and consistently earning great J.D. Power quality ratings. While rivals are moving to high-strung, small-displacement turbos that suffer from premature wear, Kia has traditionally stuck with a proven naturally aspirated engine, though the 2027 model introduces a high-durability 2.5-liter turbo designed for low-stress torque. This new engine is a masterpiece of modern engineering, featuring a reinforced block and a simplified cooling path to prevent the head gasket failures common in other turbocharged four-cylinders. Consumer Reports highlights that the 2027 model benefits from nearly a decade of platform refinement, resulting in an electrical system that is virtually free of the ghost glitches that plague other three-row haulers. The suspension has also been updated with heavy-duty bushings that maintain a smooth, rattle-free ride for over 150,000 miles. Every dollar spent on a Telluride is backed by a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a statement of mechanical confidence that no other brand in this class can match. For the smart buyer, this warranty effectively caps your maintenance costs and ensures that Kia is incentivized to build a machine that doesn't break. Parking this Kia in your driveway secures a decade of worry-free service, backed by one of the most aggressive powertrain warranties and consistent reliability scores in the American market. Number 12. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX, priced at $46,000, is the smart luxury pick for 2027, offering a bulletproof 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that shares its DNA with the high-performance Civic Type R, unlike European luxury crossovers that become liabilities after the 50,000-mile mark. The RDX is engineered with a focus on cooling and lubrication that ensures the turbocharger and 10-speed transmission stay operational for a generation. Consumer Reports notes that the RDX has some of the lowest unscheduled repair costs in the premium segment, primarily because it uses a simplified mechanical architecture that avoids failure-prone air suspensions and active dampers. The SHAWD system in the 2027 model remains a mechanical marvel, utilizing heavy-duty clutch packs that are designed to be maintenance-free for years. Acura's commitment to precision-crafted performance means that every internal component, from the forged crankshaft to the high-pressure fuel injectors, is built to handle extreme stress without degrading. This focus on durability is why the RDX holds its value significantly better than its German rivals, as buyers know it won't fall apart once the lease ends. For the U.S. professional, the RDX offers a high-status badge with the low-cost ownership profile of a Japanese commuter. This Acura represents a strategic move into the luxury market, providing a high-performance sanctuary that refuses to become a financial burden through sheer mechanical excellence. Number 11. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 enters 2027 as the definitive gold standard for mechanical immortality, starting at $30,000. It consistently dominates reliability charts because it utilizes a planetary gear-based hybrid system, a design with far fewer moving parts than a traditional automatic or CVT transmission, effectively eliminating the most expensive failure points in the industry. Consumer Reports predicts the RAV4 will remain the most dependable compact SUV in America, with a resale value that essentially functions as a high-yield savings account. Owners can expect to reach 300,000 miles with only basic fluid changes and brake pads, as the regenerative braking system handles the majority of the stopping force and reduces wear on the rotors. The 2027 model features an updated high-voltage cable protection system to prevent the corrosion issues seen in earlier hybrid generations, ensuring the electrical heart of the vehicle remains bulletproof in snowy climates. Every component in the RAV4 is sourced from a supply chain that prioritizes quality over cost, resulting in a vehicle that stays tight and leak-free for decades. For the American consumer, the RAV4 is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it machine, providing total peace of mind for every dollar spent. Investing your dollars in a RAV4 means buying a vehicle that treats the road as its natural habitat and the repair shop as a foreign territory. Number 10. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback starts at $35,000 and is a fortress of mechanical honesty in 2027. Consumer Reports has given the 2027 redesign high marks because Subaru has reinforced the CVT chain drive system and improved the thermal management of the 2.5-liter Boxer engine. This SUV is built with a rugged, thick-gauge steel frame that resists the torsional stress of rough American trails and salt-slushed winters, preventing the structural fatigue that ruins lesser unibody crossovers. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system is purely mechanical, ensuring that your traction never depends on a glitchy electronic sensor that could fail in a blizzard. The 2027 model also introduces improved oil seal technology that eliminates the weeping issues found in older Boxer engines, ensuring a dry and reliable engine bay for over 15 years. Subaru's commitment to 97% longevity is backed by data showing that almost every Outback sold in the last decade is still on the road. For the adventure-seeking American family, the Outback represents a vehicle that is just as durable as it is versatile. Every dollar put into this vehicle is protected by a drivetrain engineered to survive decades of unpredictable conditions. Choosing this rugged wagon ensures that your investment is protected by a mechanical soul engineered to survive the most grueling conditions without breaking a sweat. Number 9. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX, starting at $64,000, has reinvented itself for 2027 as a twin-turbocharged reliability titan. Built on the same heavy-duty TNGAF platform as the Land Cruiser, the GX is engineered with a 25-year service life in mind, utilizing high-strength components that are twice as thick as those found on a typical family SUV. Consumer Reports rewards the GX for its over-engineered approach to thermal management, including oversized radiators and auxiliary oil coolers that protect the powertrain under extreme towing or off-roading stress. While other luxury SUVs feel like disposable electronics, the GX feels like a piece of industrial equipment that happens to be wrapped in leather. The 2027 model benefits from Toyota's latest advancements in turbocharger bearing durability, ensuring the twin-turbo V6 matches the legendary longevity of the old V8. This vehicle is a masterclass in structural integrity, with a frame that is designed to remain rigid and rust-free even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Buying a GX is a move toward permanent mobility, as its resale value is among the highest in the luxury industry. For the elite buyer, it offers the ultimate combination of status and unshakable mechanical confidence. Parking this Lexus in your driveway is a move toward permanent mobility, securing an asset that refuses to break or lose its mechanical integrity regardless of the terrain. Number 8. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V remains a paragon of consistency in 2027 with a starting price of $31,000. Consumer Reports ranks it as a top pick because its dual-motor hybrid system, which lacks a traditional transmission, virtually eliminates the most common source of mechanical failure in modern SUVs. The 2027 model features structural adhesives that increase chassis rigidity by 15%, preventing the rattles and squeaks that develop in cheaper competitors as they age. Every dollar spent on this Honda is protected by an engineering philosophy that values long-term durability over flashy marketing gimmicks. Honda has also updated the 2027 model with a reinforced high-pressure fuel pump and improved software to prevent the oil dilution issues that affected older turbocharged versions. This results in a powertrain that remains clean and efficient for hundreds of thousands of miles. The CR-V's reputation for reliability is so strong that it consistently commands a premium on the used market, ensuring your initial investment is well protected. For families, the CR-V offers the lowest severity of repair probability in its class, meaning that even if something does need attention, it is rarely a catastrophic mechanical failure. Relying on this Honda provides a level of daily predictability that few other machines can match, ensuring your schedule is never dictated by the service department. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 starts at $29,000 and continues to dominate reliability rankings in 2027 by refusing to fix what isn't broken. While other brands experiment with tiny, high-pressure engines and complex hybrids, the CX-5 sticks to a tried-and-true naturally aspirated engine and a real 6-speed automatic transmission. This bulletproof combination has become a legend in the industry for reaching 250,000 miles with minimal drama. Consumer Reports highlights that the CX-5's manufacturing tolerances are tighter than many luxury brands, resulting in a vehicle that stays tight and responsive for the long haul. The 2027 model year benefits from upgraded suspension bushings and a reinforced subframe, ensuring that the ride remains quiet and vibration-free as the odometer climbs. Mazda's Skyactiv G technology is designed for optimal combustion without the need for forced induction, reducing the thermal load on the internal engine components. This simplicity is a financial win for the owner, as it avoids the expensive repairs associated with modern turbo systems. Every dollar spent on a CX-5 buys a level of craftsmanship and mechanical honesty that is becoming increasingly rare in the automotive world. Owners of this Mazda enjoy a rare combination of mechanical grit and aesthetic grace, making it a timeless asset in a sea of fragile alternatives. Number 6. Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada represents a mechanical revolution in 2027, starting at $59,000 and trading its thirsty V8 for a state-of-the-art twin-turbocharged V6 built for high-torque endurance. Consumer Reports has noted that Nissan has utilized high-strength alloys in the turbochargers and a reinforced engine block to ensure this powertrain can handle extreme stress without breaking a sweat. Unlike domestic full-size SUVs plagued by lifter failures and transmission shudders, the Armada offers a stable, body-on-frame platform designed for heavy-duty family work and towing. The 2027 model includes a dedicated 9-speed automatic with a reinforced torque converter, ensuring that the drivetrain can manage 500 pound-feet of torque without slipping. Nissan has also upgraded the thermal management system, including a high-capacity radiator and auxiliary oil coolers as standard equipment. This focus on cooling is essential for long-term reliability in the hot American summers. For buyers who need a true truck-based SUV, the Armada offers a level of build quality and mechanical durability that makes it a standout for 2027. Choosing this heavy-duty machine provides a level of muscle and mechanical confidence that makes it the smartest choice for those who need a true truck-based hauler. Number 5. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade starts at $39,000 and is a standout in 2027 because it backs its mechanical engineering with the most aggressive warranty in the industry. It is the only three-row SUV that offers a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a bold statement of confidence in its refined V6 and hybrid systems. Consumer Reports notes that the 2027 Palisade has significantly lower frequencies of severe repairs compared to the midsize SUV average, making it a safe financial harbor for large families. Hyundai has perfected the cooling and lubrication of its drivetrain to ensure it survives long past the final payment, including a liquid-cooled multi-plate clutch in its AWD system. The 2027 model also features an improved electrical architecture that eliminates the sensor glitches seen in earlier production years. Every dollar you put into a Palisade is protected by a company that is legally obligated to fix your engine for a full decade. This level of protection makes it a strategic financial choice, as it effectively caps your major maintenance risks for 100,000 miles. For the American buyer, the Palisade represents a luxury-grade experience with the security of a bulletproof financial net. Parking this Hyundai in your driveway secures a decade of mechanical protection, effectively insulating your family's budget from the rising costs of automotive service. Number 4. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner starts at $44,000 and remains a living legend of reliability in 2027. It is the only midsize SUV engineered with a 30-year service life in mind, retaining its heavy-duty body-on-frame construction updated with a high-torque I-Force powertrain. Consumer Reports consistently gives the 4Runner a great reliability rating because every suspension component, from the control arms to the shock absorbers, is twice as thick as what you'll find on a typical family SUV. This ensures that the chassis remains rigid and the alignment stays true even after a decade of grueling trails or salt-slushed winters. The 2027 model benefits from Toyota's latest high-strength steel alloys in the frame, which are designed to resist rust and fatigue far better than the competition. Its mechanical AWD system and reinforced differentials are built to handle the torque of the new turbocharged engine without missing a beat. Buying a 4Runner is a strategic financial move because it holds the highest resale value in North America. You are parking your money in a liquid asset that refuses to break. For those who value absolute mechanical certainty, the 4Runner is the only logical choice. Investing in a 4Runner is a strategic financial move because it holds the highest resale value in North America, turning your vehicle purchase into a secure and liquid asset. Number 3. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot starts at $43,000 and is a mechanical fortress in 2027, holding a J.D. Power reliability score that puts its competitors to shame. While rivals have moved to high-strung, small-displacement turbo engines, Honda has stuck with a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. This engine is a masterpiece of low-stress engineering, producing 285 horsepower without the need for forced induction, which significantly reduces the risk of long-term oil leaks and turbocharger failures. Paired with a robust 10-speed automatic transmission reinforced for the 2027 model year, the Pilot is built to handle thermal stress and heavy loads without missing a beat. The 2027 model also features an updated IVTM4 torque vectoring AWD system that uses heavy-duty mechanical clutch packs instead of reactive electronic couplings. This ensures that your traction is always active and durable, even in the harshest conditions. Honda's commitment to internal component quality is evident in the Pilot's forged crankshaft and high-durability timing belt, which are designed for a service life of over 200,000 miles. Placing your dollars in this Honda ensures that your family has a reliable, long-term partner that values mechanical integrity over temporary marketing gimmicks. Number 2. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, starting at $27,000, is the definitive reliability king of the subcompact world in 2027. Consumer Reports notes that over 96% of Crosstreks sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, a statistic that no other brand in this class can match. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides a purely mechanical connection to the road that refuses to fail when conditions get slippery, unlike the reactive electronic systems found in soft rotors. The 2027 model features a reinforced suspension that manages rough American roads without suffering the mechanical where that plagues other small crossovers. Subaru has also updated the 2027 model with improved valve seals and a more durable CVT chain drive system, ensuring that the drivetrain remains leak-free and smooth for over 15 years. With an annual maintenance cost that is nearly 15% lower than the segment average, the Crosstrek is a financial powerhouse for those who value long-term savings. It is a tool designed for survival, not a toy for superficial trends, and it remains the top choice for buyers who want a car that simply works. Purchasing this Crosstrek secures a mechanical partner that will remain operational and reliable long after its peers have reached their expiration date, representing the ultimate financial victory. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser takes the top spot as the undisputed king of reliability for 2027, starting at $56,000. It is built on a heavy-duty platform designed for a 25-year service life in the most punishing environments on Earth. Consumer Reports has praised the 2027 model's hybrid powertrain for its massive torque and mechanical integrity, as it uses a robust electric motor to assist the engine during high-stress maneuvers, reducing internal wear on the pistons and valves. Unlike unibody crossovers that feel disposable after 6 or 7 years, the Land Cruiser is a body-on-frame tank that treats 300,000 miles as the break-in period. The 2027 model features a full-time 4WD system with a reinforced locking center differential, providing a purely mechanical connection that refuses to fail when the pavement ends. Ownership costs are kept low by Toyota's decision to use shared components from the heavy-duty truck line, ensuring that parts are affordable and durable. Every dollar put into this vehicle is protected by a drivetrain that has undergone millions of miles of torture testing. Choosing this Toyota locks in a mechanical partner that will stay operational and reliable for a generation, representing the ultimate financial and functional victory for the smart American buyer. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.